5 rules software engineers should live by. Rule number 1, Murphy's Law. Whatever can go wrong will go wrong. Don't say, oh, well, the user is never going to do that. That's exactly what the user of your system or the consumer of your API is going to do and break down your system. So build defensively and assume the worst and build accordingly. Rule number 2, if you invest in knowledge and intelligence, I promise you, money will follow you. So instead of you chasing money, money will come after you if you actually invest into yourself being a person of value, someone who can actually bring something to the table. Rule number 3, if you don't have to make a decision, don't. You don't have to involve yourself into every decision, because once that decision is made and there are consequences for that decision, you are the one responsible in part as a whole for this decision that has been made. If there is no decision need to be made or assigned to you, don't jump in and make yourself a hero. Rule number 4, if you are assigned a task, you are the person responsible for finding the best solution for that task. Usually it's not the very first thing that comes to your mind. If you're trying to solve a problem and the first thing that comes to your mind, that's probably the easiest, quickest, probably most boring solution. Shop around, find 5 or 6 or 7 different solutions to solving the same problem and find the best solution out of them. And you are the only person responsible for that solution, for solving that task. Rule number 5, this is the last rule. If you write down a problem clearly, you've already solved half of that problem. If you don't understand the problem, you're not going to be able to solve it. You have to write it down clearly in a way everybody else could understand it. And if you understand it and write it down clearly, you've already solved half of that problem. Thank you for watching.